it's me, Geomatic again here. I'm live at Blazing Fury here at Dollywood. This will be the 5th ride in a row, and I'll be done for today. Oh, thanks for watching. Hey, it's me, Geomatic. If you can see me now, I'll tell you, I'm on Blazing Fury with a little smoke here. I'm in the front row too. Hey!
The train coming. Now for a break.
I survived Blazing Fury at Dollywood. Thanks for watching. Hey, it's me, Geomatic again. This is it. It's almost 3:30 right now, and I've been here since 11 o'clock. Got a bunch of coasters. First got Thunderhead, and then got Lightning Rod, Fire Chaser. I did Daredevil Falls, Blazing Fury. I think that was it. But then I did a little walk around here, but I was able to accomplish what I didn't do last time. I got some great coasters. I got some good footage on Daredevil Falls and Blazing Fury. The other coasters I couldn't film on, but I tell you, I had a great time here. And last spot I'm down here in Crespin's Grove, I think it's called. But behind the church, behind me is a church. And I tell you, it's beautiful in there. I took some pictures of, there's some quilts hanging on the wall there, but it is beautiful out here. And again, this is Geomatic. I'm at Dollywood for the Flower and Food Festival. And thanks for watching. And I'm heading out. I'm tired. Long day.